2174 was our entry, stop loss being 2176, and TP1 2170, 2163. Now this trade was first trade of the week. I had this minor level of support off the 4-hour time frame as well, and we have our level of resistance being over here, right? Now, key things to pay attention to. We were trading in this range, and then I see price was starting to break out of this range, right? We didn't see the kind of closure I wanted, but I did see this candle sort of close bearish and sort of towards the bottom of the range. So I was a little patient there. I then got in when price broke previous lows over here. So with this candle, got in, saw some drawdown. I eventually ended up holding up until 100 pips. Almost. It was actually like 97. It was like 80 pips that I saw drawdown. But that's why I always tell everyone, if you trust your plan, risk according to your plan, and make sure you plan your trades, because certain trades, in this case, I wasn't expecting it to go to the middle of this 4-hour range that we had here, so it was very valid. Now my stop loss was a little short originally. My original stop loss, if we come over here, it was about 20 pips, very tight stop loss. If I would have had a nicer stop loss, I wouldn't have had to worry about moving my stops up. But in this case, I moved it from 20 pips to 90 pips. It was a little crazy, but I had a lot of faith in this trade, right? I liked, the fact that we were breaking out of this 4-hour range as well. We also had a trend line over here, right, that we respected. So we were trading off the trend line, respecting this diagonal level of resistance, breaking out of a horizontal level of support, which is a 4-hour support. And then we have this whole area to retrace, right? Eventually ended up hitting TP3. So it was a nice monstrous trade. I ended up seeing about, let's see, was 20, almost 100 pip move, 90 pips. So my 1-to-1, more than my 1-to-1 played out. Now let's take a look at the second trade. We got in at 18,115. So I saw price was respecting that diagonal level of resistance, right? Coming down to this level of support where we respected it. That's when I decided to execute off the buys, getting on the retracement. I considered it a lower low where I got in at, right? I was just trading up to the lower high. In this case, we have our highs over here, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, right? So I just pretty much traded the trend over here. That's why I love guys. I love market structure. If you can understand market structure, you'll be able to identify trends, be on the right side of the trend, right? The trend is your friend. So nice monstrous move over here. Ended up hitting our take profit after a while. But I did see drawdown before, guys. As you see, we almost hit stop loss twice. Um, so ended up coming over here. I lost track of time. It was a 1 day trade, overnight trade, and ended up hitting my take profit to come back and create that lower low. But it was expected. That's why that was my target area right there. It was also coinciding with another level of with another trend line. So this was my coincidentally, it was the right area to get out. I had an 850 pip take profit, but I did not expect it to hit it exactly at this access point. Next trade. I think I only called 2 trades this week. Adi called this trade over here. And then yeah, so I called 2 trades this week, both of them being bangers. I was really satisfied with the trades that I called. If you think about it, I caught 1,000 pips this week, right? 850 pips profit with NAS and another 100 pips with gold. So what more can you ask for, guys? I was able to end the week profitable. And guys, I hope you guys were able to end the week profitable as well. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime through here on Telegram or on Instagram at John Paul Trades to get a better understanding of how I trade, why I call these trades. Maybe you guys have similar trades or ideas and need help. I hope this week is a monstrous week for you guys as well. Take care. Peace.